Hi, my name is Vito. I will tell you about interesting facts of the Pacific Ocean, bursting with wildlife and teeming with mysteries to be solved. Our oceans are one of the most amazing habitats on Earth. Take a deep breath, gang, as we dive into our ocean facts. Three interesting facts of Pacific Ocean. Number one, do you know that the name Pacific Ocean comes from the Latin name Tetre Pacificum, means peaceful sea? Number two, it is the largest ocean on Earth, covering around 30% of the Earth's surface. Number three, about 70% of the oxygen we breathe is produced by the oceans. Creatures that live in the ocean are whales, dolphins, seals, sharks, sea otters. Hope you learned from these facts. Bye!